Hey, nurses and skilled professionals. I am Rhea Fawole of SOLVi Migration. Today, we're going to be diving into a critical question that I hear all the time from clients. How long does it take to get your Australian visa? Now, here's the catch. Many people start counting from the wrong point, like literally from when they decided that they wanted to migrate. If you haven't finalized all your documents, completed all of the required steps, you haven't actually officially started the waiting period. Plus, visa processing priorities can shift, affecting how long your application might take. So today we're going to guide you through each step and show you how to avoid these common misconceptions. In this episode, we're going to cover off, firstly, the importance of understanding visa processing priorities and how these shifting priorities can impact your wait time. Then we're going to talk about why your nursing registration and skills assessment need to be completed before you can begin the visa application process, and how these factors play into the overall timeline. Lastly, we're going to talk about the role of health checks for you and for your dependent family members, and why the timing for them can prevent unnecessary delays. I had a client who thought she'd been waiting for months for her visa, only to discover that her waiting period hadn't begun because she hadn't completed her nursing registration and the skills assessment. On top of that, she hadn't factored in time for her family's health checks. Today, I'll help you avoid these pitfalls and ensure you understand exactly when your visa process is officially starting, so you can avoid unnecessary stress and delays. Visa processing times aren't fixed, so this means it can shift depending on government priorities. Skilled visas may be expedited or delayed based on current policy changes and critical shortages in specific professions. This means that even if you've submitted your application, processing times can vary widely, depending on where your occupation falls on the priority list at the time of application. Please keep in mind, if you haven't completed all the required steps like nursing registration, skills assessment, and submitted all of the relevant documents, you haven't technically started the clock on your visa. This can lead to frustration when it seems like you've been waiting for a long time. But in reality, the official waiting period has not begun. Before you even start the visa process, it is essential that you finalize your nursing registration with AHPRA. Whether you're going to go directly with AHPRA or use the Trans-Tasman Mutual Recognition Scheme, the TTMRS, if you're already registered in New Zealand, this needs to be completed first. Once you've cleared the registration, you'll also need to complete a skills assessment. This will be done by the Australian Nursing and Midwifery Accreditation Council, ANMAC. It includes proving your qualifications, work experience, and often passing an English language test. Keep in mind that these are two separate processes and they must be completed before you lodge your visa application. Sometimes nurses have to retake their English test to meet the requirements, and their spouse or partner may also need to pass an English test. Only after these steps are finalised can you officially begin the visa application process. Another crucial step that often goes unnoticed is the requirement for health checks. And it's not just for you. It also includes your spouse and your dependent children. They also need to undergo health exams as part of the visa process. Scheduling these checks early is vital. The only way you can do that, though, is through a pre-application. That's something that a legal professional can help you with. It will mean that there's no delays in following up with appointments that can hold up your application. By addressing the health checks for your family members up front, you'll also ensure that there's no health issues that weren't uncovered that could either slow down or deny the specific visa you were intended. Being proactive here is going to help avoiding unexpected delays. Here's the key points from today. Firstly, visa processing times vary based on government priorities, and they can shift depending on your occupation and global demands. If you haven't completed steps like nursing registration and skills assessment, your official waiting period hasn't actually begun. Secondly, your nursing registration and skills assessment must be finalised before you submit your visa application. This includes passing the necessary English tests for you and possibly for your spouse too. or if you have dependents over the age of 18. 3, don't forget health checks. They're very important both for you and your dependent family members on your visa, as they're required and they can impact the timing of your visa if not handled promptly. If you want to make sure your visa process goes smoothly with all the steps completed in the right order, then please book a consultation with us at SOLVi Migration. That's www.solvi.com.au. We'll guide you through things like registration, skills assessment, and health check requirements, ensuring that everything is in place so you can focus on building your new life in Australia without unnecessary delays and stress. Thanks everyone for joining us on Making Australian Migration Easy. I hope that the information in this show has helped you to prepare and make your migration just that bit easier. We would love for you to like, subscribe, and share the podcast to spread the good word. And of course, drop in comments if you've got any questions. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you at the next episode of Making Australian Migration Easy.